Welcome back. We're still live on your favorite breakfast show today on STV, and it's time for the lifestyle segment. And today I have with me back in studio Chef Malik, and we're going to be doing cupcakes. Okay, not doing it from scratch. We're just going to be decorating some cupcakes. Welcome, Chef Malik.
Hi.
Welcome back.
Hi. Good morning.
It's always good to have you back. Thank you. I love cakes.
You do?
Yes, I do.
Yeah. Okay.
So today, what are we doing?
Basically, I have already baked cupcakes, vanilla, red velvet, and chocolate. So we're going to do basic pipings on the cupcakes, just like this. So here is, start from the middle. Yeah, then a spiral design.
Can I try that?
Yeah, you can. Sure.
Okay, I like chocolate best, so I'll go with chocolate.
So
start from the middle.
Start from the middle.
Ooh.
Then
Ooh, wait. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, you did great.
Yay!
Whoop.
See.
So just all the way.
Okay, I wasn't meant to take it up.
Yeah, it's actually nice.
Thank you.
For the first
that's
time?
my very first. Oh wow, and I think I have icing coming from the bottom.
Okay.
That's my very first time.
Try to control it.
Okay.
Yep. So from the middle, and then like this. How's that? Let me
don't worry.
that.
Don't worry, it's cool. Don't worry, I got it.
Okay. Yep.
Okay.
Looking nice, right?
No, it's not as nice as yours.
Well, you need more practice.
Okay, show me.
Yeah.
Let me watch.
Watch. From the middle.
Oh. And you come back to the middle.
Yeah.
Okay, let me try it.
Okay, so I'm going to be adding seedless grapefruits on each.
On each one?
One, yeah.
Okay.
Make it look so nice. Whoop.
I think that's better.
Yeah. Yeah, I've equally got sprinkles.
Okay.
And chocolate cubes. So just sprinkle.
I got this.
Yeah,
Come on.
That's nice.
Come on.
That's nice. Just a little sprinkle at the top.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Okay, so what next? Sprinkles, grapefruits.
Grapefruit sprinkles. Then I've got chocolate cubes too.
Okay, in here.
Yeah. So. You seem pretty good at this.
My brother, see, when it comes to deco, I'm not that bad.
Right.
So what would you say is the factor for picking cupcake decorations?
Well,
for your factor, for instance.
Cupcake decorations are so easy and nice.
They are easy and nice. So what would you say you choose? Why did you pick grapefruits, for instance?
Well, I figured out like some people like grapefruit, especially the fact that it's seedless.
Seedless, okay.
Yeah, so seedless.
And you can just easily eat it.
Exactly.
And it's fruit, so they just take the guilt off eating cupcakes.
Exactly.
With the fact that there's something there.
So, with the fact that there's fruit.
There's fruits there.
So I have chocolate frosting.
Okay.
This is going to be for the chocolate cakes. Just a little drip around it. Yeah.
So where does this? Oh wow. Where does this go?
You could just add it by the sides.
Okay.
Yeah, it's so nice.
Yeah, it is nice.
Yeah, right. So, whoa, looking good.
Looking good. Looking really good. Oh, nice. Really nice.
I bet you want to have a taste of it.
I do.
Whoa.
Definitely do. I think I'm destroying your work.
No, it's actually looking good.
Oh my god, because we're used to just having one in the middle, but now we have the cubes by the side.
Yeah.
Okay. Is that all? I noticed some silver.
Yeah, this is draggies.
Draggies?
Yeah,
what does that mean?
It's called draggies. Silver draggies, like gelatin ball.
Okay.
Gelatin balls.
But it's still just sweet?
Yeah, it's sweet. Sweet, so sweet.
Okay.
So you could just, I have a pin there, just pick it up.
Yeah.
And then drop.
Okay.
Yeah. Giving it this silver glitter sparkle. So.
Oh, Okay, on it.
On
okay.
it, yeah. So.
Oh wow, and we're done, and it looks so pretty.
Right.
I mean, and and I'm sure one day we should definitely do like how to mix and all of that.
Yeah, yeah.
So we actually learn that from scratch.
Yeah, yeah.
So I mean, you can be home on a Saturday, and you have friends come over, and I know cake stuffs are not so expensive, right?
No, not really.
So you can actually just have this, and everybody's a party already. Cupcakes and water if you don't have a drink. Or would you like to stay clean like me?
Good combo,
Okay,
cupcakes and water.
very lovely combo.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Chef
You're
Malik,
welcome.
for being here. I think I should have a bite of one of these, right?
Yeah, sure.
I know you're...
Have a taste.
Okay, yeah, this one's really pretty. But I'm going to talk after this. I'll just have a small bite. Oh. Really nice.
Yeah. Nice, right?
Really, really nice.
Okay.
Okay, guys. And it's a wrap on this episode of Today on STV. A huge shout out to Mr. John Cecil. It's your birthday. Woo! Happy birthday to you. We wish you long life and prosperity. Thank you so much, Chef Malik, for coming on the show.
You're
It's amazing having you here. Thanks to all our guests who made it to the show today.
So
We're here same time, same station tomorrow, so make sure you do not touch that down. Do join the conversation on social media at Silverred TV with the hashtag Today on STV. We'll be right back. No, the show's over and we're out. Peace. Bye.